Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my new video. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. This morning, I will show you on how to connect WhatsApp mobile to the laptop or computer. Okay? So first, on your mobile phone, open WhatsApp application. This one, open. Okay? As you can see on the upper right corner of your screen, there are three dots. This one, and then select WhatsApp web. Okay? Then after that, go to your desktop on your computer, open the WhatsApp application. Okay? Here, you see the instruction there and the QR code. Okay? So all you have to do is to scan that QR code using your cellular phone or mobile phone. Okay? Let's do this. Alright guys, see? The mobile phone is already connected to the computer. Okay? See this one? So you can open the file from your mobile phone on the desktop of your computer. So that's how we connect the WhatsApp mobile to our computer. So this is very important because if you have large file or you have video that you want to open in your computer and it is saved on the mobile phone, when this phone or when your mobile phone is connected into the laptop, you can open that large file on your computer or laptop. See guys, when it is connected, it has the same information, or all of the information from your mobile is being displayed here on the laptop. Okay, so you check here, see, keep your phone connected. So when you are done copying large files or using the WhatsApp mobile, then just disconnect. So go to here and then disconnect, log out, then log out. Okay guys, you see it is already disconnected. So that's how we connect and disconnect our mobile WhatsApp mobile to our computer. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. Bye.